Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Intermediate 58. Diet.
So welcome to the Olympic cooking show. I'm going to prepare a fantastically healthy Olympic sports drink.
Do you have a healthy diet? Today we're talking about what you eat, or your diet. We'll also be looking at how to make the NG sound, like in morning, eating, ring, sing, wing. We'll also find out how and when to use yet at the end of a sentence. Like, have you eaten yet? Well, it's time for the movie now. Let's meet Ken, Karina and Laura.
So this is a healthy vegetarian sports drink. You have your broccoli, banana, carrots, green stuff on a bottle, and Coca-Cola. I'm now going to mix this all together into some fantastic, delicious and healthy drink.
Hey Karina, have you had lunch yet? We're going to Quick Burger. Do you want to come?
Quick Burger, isn't that the new fast food burger chain?
Yeah, they've got cheeseburgers, bacon burgers, any kind of burger you could want.
Actually, I'm waiting for an important phone call. Could you get me a veggie burger with lettuce and tomato?
Okay, how about you, Laura?
No thanks, I brought my lunch today.
All right, see you soon.
I didn't know you were a vegetarian, Karina.
Really? I haven't eaten meat for 2 years. I try to have a healthy diet.
Yeah, me too. My doctor says I have to start eating more healthily, so I've started a new diet.
I see. So what's your diet?
Well, in the morning I have a cup of yogurt, some cereal and a piece of fruit.
That's good. I'm usually too busy in the morning, so I skip breakfast. What do you have for lunch?
For lunch I usually have a small salad and a bowl of soup.
That's not much. Well, I'm impressed, Laura. How's the diet going?
It's going pretty well. Already I feel better. How about you though? Isn't it hard being a vegetarian?
Everyone thinks so, but it's not that difficult. In fact, a friend of mine turned me on to the idea. I realized that I didn't feel good after I ate meat.
First I take the banana and peel that. And of course the carrot. And some broccoli. And some of the green stuff. Little green, little more green, and green in a bottle.
Did you notice quite a lot
Top
of
it up
words
with
in
a
the
little
movie with an
sugar.
NG sound?
Yummy.
Let's practice this sound with some
And?
of the sentences from the movie. Eating. I have to start eating more healthily. Waiting. I'm waiting for an important phone call. And let's see if you can make these different sounds. Listen very carefully to the difference. Wink, wing, stink, sting, bank, bang, rink, ring. Well done. Now it's time for something completely different. We're going to look at the word yet. Have you had lunch yet? Have you had lunch is in the present perfect. We use yet at the end of a sentence like this when you expect something to happen. Let's look at some other questions using yet and the present perfect. Have you started your diet yet? Has Tom finished his breakfast yet? We expect all of the things to happen. You need to remember that you can only use yet at the end of a sentence if you are asking a question or in a negative sentence. Let's practice the NG sound. Listen to these sentences and then repeat them. Good morning. Do you feel like singing or running? No, thank you. I'm feeling like sleeping. Now repeat these words after me. Wink, wing, sink, sing, think, thing, bank, bang. Now, can you fill in the gap here? Excellent. Have you had lunch yet? And can you remember the rule of using yet at the end of the sentence? Fill in the gaps to make the rule. Well done. We use yet at the end of a sentence, but only when we ask questions and in negative sentences. Can you make a sentence with these words? Good work. I haven't found my keys yet. And here? Have you eaten breakfast yet?
Ah, beautiful. Oh. And now let's taste this.
Well done. Today we've spent a lot of time on the NG sound. Morning, eating. We've also looked at how to use the word yet. We've learnt that we only use yet at the end of the sentence in questions or in negative sentences, and that we often use yet with the present perfect. Like this. Have you eaten lunch yet? No, I haven't eaten lunch yet. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Do practice doing the NG sound, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!
Now that is a good sports drink. You should try it yourself. It's going to bring you a very healthy life. Good luck.